G'day everyone, it's Turbo Tristan here today, and we've got a brand new project to show you, and here it is right here. This is an EF7 CRX, yes, something that's considered pretty rare today. I picked this one up as a barn find. Now I say that bit of tongue-in-cheek because we don't have frickin' barns in Australia, we have sheds, and it wasn't even in the shed, it was parked on a front lawn for 13 years as far as we can tell from Google Maps. This car at the address that it was at, we checked it all the way back and we could see it moving from the driveway to the front lawn where it stayed for 13 years. So today we have something very special and we're doing a barn find restoration detail on this. Now these are very satisfying videos. There are millions of them on YouTube and I can't help myself but watch them, and so many people do. You see all those first detail in 20 years videos. Whenever you see those videos and it's pulled from a shed after 20 years covered in dust, or found on a front lawn, or found in a backyard, or found in the swamp, this is one of those cars. Now I have to admit it's in fantastic condition considering it's been sitting out in a front yard, actually under a tree, for 13 to 14 years. Now this car is going to get a full restoration. We're going to go back to pretty much bare metal, if not all the way to bare metal, inside and out, under and above, all the way through. This car is going to get the full works treatment. This is going to be a forever car. I have had this car for around about 1 week and I have not even touched it besides moving it off and on a trailer. The interior of this thing is absolutely immaculate though. It's all complete except for one little trim piece just around the heater dial. It's only got 183,299 kilometers on the clock. And now it's time to check out the engine bay. Now this thing has definitely seen better days. Just dirt and stuff caked absolutely everywhere. The part that worries me is just along here where the leaves have built up. This is where I think we're going to find magical rust. Everything else looks like it just needs a good solid cleanup. The engine will probably even run, but I'm not going to run it. I'm not even going to try to get this car started. I think that's a really, really bad idea. We'll just remove everything and start from a fresh, clean base. So here we are with our master detailer, Phil. Phil is from HAXS Detailing, and I'm gonna throw it over to Phil now, and he's gonna tell us what's gonna happen with this car.
Hey, I'm Phil from HAXS Detailing. Doing a detail on this CRX. It is probably the most hammered car I've ever seen or ever worked on. We are going to do, I don't know, like a big degreaser, kind of like so firm it down, trying to pressure wash most of this dust off and dirt. Engine bay, I'm just trying to get in the crevices and hopefully it comes out, I guess.
How I found Phil is I just put a post on my Facebook, just my personal one, and I asked, does anyone have any recommendations for a detailer? Every single person from this area recommended Phil and HAXS Detailing. He's a Honda boy, he's got his EK over there. He's got all his gear set up, ready to go. So you've never worked on any like barn find or anything like this before, this bad, have you?
Definitely not.
I have faith, I'm confident. You came so highly recommended. How can people find you?
They can find me on Instagram, HAXS Detailing. So just HAXS_detailing.
I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. I'm talking day one. Been at, boys. Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. Yeah. Keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit. All of my office legit. Got the game with a tight grip. On trip but don't ever trip. Talking, keep running your lip. Me, I come through in the fourth. Me, I come through in the whip. Been at, boys. Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God. I swear we been at next. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep when you're sick. Keep making that money flip.
It's looking a million times better, mate. Well done.
Thank you.
How much of a challenge was this really? I can see there's stuff all over the ground, all the muck that came off it. Big mess, which I will clean up soon.
So it was fully caked in everything you see on the ground. We basically threw everything at it. A citrus degreaser, I washed it like 3 times. Civic shampoo, decon, iron remover, clay bar. I tried to polish the bonnet to see what it would be like, but overall sitting under the tree saps itched into the paint. We could spend, I don't know, days and days on the car. We did what we could, and this is what it looks like.
So in just a couple of hours, he's transformed it from a barn find, it was a front yard under the tree find, to what would look like pretty much how all the CRXs will look if they've been daily driven for 30 plus years. So it just looks like a good, honest, true car. We've found a few issues, like we've found there's a little hole there, and I'm sure once we peel back all the layers and take all the rubbers out and everything, we're going to find lots more little rust spots. We'd be kidding ourselves if we didn't think there's not some secret rust hiding behind all those panels. We're prepared for that. Amazing job. There's going to be links to HAXS detailing in the description and up on screen here, so go check him out. Awesome work. He came highly recommended. Now I can highly recommend him. Mate, well done.
Thank you. No, it's an amazing car. I love Hondas. It was good to work with. I enjoy it.
This video is going to come out quite a long way before the restoration begins on this car. We're probably going to get stuck into this in the summertime. It was kind of an impulse buy, an impulse find. It was too good to pass up. There'll be more about that later on. We didn't go full ham on this and buff, polish, cut, protection, blah blah blah, all the stuff. The car has been sitting for so long. It is old, it's rusty, the paint is powdery. We've found a couple of dents that I couldn't even see under the dirt, like, so there's a little bump there, and the bumper has a little bump in it, and I could not even tell it had those because there was that much dirt and crap all over this car. If you like what you see so far, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button, spool up, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
Can't wait to get Macca's on the way home. I'm so hungry.